How we doing, Mighty Mustangs and Mustangs families? Welcome to step 3. We're going to continue our flexibility hurdle jumping challenge to stretch those muscles so that we can move without getting hurt. This time, after we jump those hurdles, we're going to do a lower body stretch. We're going to stretch, for example, any kind of muscle from our waist down. For example, we can stretch our leg muscles, front of our legs, which is our thighs, back of our legs, which is our hamstrings, calf muscles. We're going to stretch all those out while we are jumping those hurdles. Let's see how you do with our hurdle jumping flexibility challenge, lower body muscles. Alexa, play Better Now Kids Bop.
Playing Better Now from your library.
You probably think that you are better now, better now. Here we go. All right, I'm going to balance on one leg, pull my leg back for 5 seconds. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. Pull my other leg back, balance on one foot, pull your leg back. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. That's 2. Jump, jump, jump. Now I'm going to bend over and reach for my toes. Keep your legs straight. Don't bend your knees because it's not going to stretch your legs. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to stretch my legs again. I'm going to sit down and stretch. Sit down. Reach for those toes. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. Again, don't bend your legs. If you bend your legs and reach, that's not stretching your legs. Keep those legs straight and reach. If you can't touch your toes, that's okay. That's 4. 1, 2, 3. This time, I'm going to pull my leg back. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. Jump, jump, jump. Now I'm going to stretch my calf muscles out. You can lean against something, maybe the counter, the wall, and you're going to put both legs back, put your feet flat on the floor and lean forward. You're going to feel it get kind of tight down here in your calf muscles. That's stretching those calf muscles. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. Coming back your way. That's 5. 3. This time, I'm going to bend down and reach for my toes. Stretching a little bit of my back, also stretching those leg muscles out. 5. Jump, jump, jump. This time I'm going to spread my legs apart. And I am going to put my hands on my knees. Lean forward, keep the back leg straight. You're stretching your thigh muscles out. Come back your way. I think I'm on 7. I'm going to do that again, but just with my right leg. Right leg in front, left leg back. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5. And jump. All right. I'm going to reach for my toes again. You'll notice as you continue to do these stretches, you're able to reach farther. That's because your leg muscles continue to stretch out, and you're able to perform that stretch better and get farther. 5. Alexa, stop. I made it to 9 points on our flexibility hurdle jumping challenge. My lower body muscles are stretched out. So when I go to jump, whenever I go to run, whenever I go to dive, if I go to do a cartwheel gymnastics challenge, I'm going to be able to do that really well, and I'm going to be able to do that without getting hurt. I hope you learned a lot this week, learning about flexibility, stretching those muscles so we can move. Go to step 4 so you can complete our easy quiz to show me how smart, strong, and healthy you are. I love you. I miss you. I'll see you soon.